Hello, 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 kindergartners. Okay, taking out your hands or your pockets or your bowls, whatever you have been using for practicing our counting on and counting back strategies. Also having out your 10 pennies, 5 nickels, 5 dimes, and 2 quarters. Okay, I'm going to tilt my screen down so we're ready to go for our first counting. We'll start with counting on. So counting on, I am going to have 1 quarter in my hand and 3 pennies. 3 pennies and 1 quarter in this hand. And then you have you have 2 pennies in this hand. Okay, starting with my hand, I have a quarter, which we know is how many cents? 25 cents. So 25 counting on 3 pennies. 25, 26, 27, 28. So I have 28 in my hand. I'm going to write my 2, 8, 28. Okay. And then you have how many pennies? 1, 2, right. 2 pennies. Okay, so we're figuring out what 28 and 2 more equals. So starting 28, counting up, 29, 30. What would be another way that we could show 30 using our coins? Thinking about a coin that equals 10 cents. What coin is that? Right, our dime. Our dime equals 10 cents. How many dimes would we need to show the numeral 30? Have 1. 2. Just 2? No, we need 1 more. Okay, let's double check. Counting by tens. We have 0, 10, 20, 30. Right. Oh, we showed 30 using 1 quarter and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pennies. We also showed 30 cents using 3 dimes. Ooh, interesting. Okay. I love thinking about how we can show different numbers using different amounts of coins. Okay, clearing your board. There we go. Okay. Let's try a counting back number sentence. Okay. I have 10 cents. I have a dime, 10 cents. And I have also, so I have my dime and I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pennies. So I have 1 dime, which is how many cents? 10, right? And then counting on, I have 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I have 15 cents in total. I am going to give you 3 cents. 1, 2, 3. So counting backwards, before I had 15, counting back 3. So 15, 14, 13, 12. Let's double check with our coins that I have left. I have a dime left. That's how many cents? 10, counting on, 11, 12. Does that match our number that we found when we counted back? Great. I had 15. I gave you 3. And now I have 12 cents left. Nice. Okay, clear your board. I have 1/4 and 1 penny. You have 1 nickel. Thinking about adding on, I have 1/4 and 1 penny. How much is 1/4? 25, right? And so adding on 25, 26. Okay, I have 26. And you have 1 nickel. How many cents is 1 nickel? 5, right? 5. It's hard to write upside down. There we go. So 26 and 5 more. So let's think 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Let's double check. All together, we can look at these. We have our quarter, which is how many cents? 25. Our nickel, which is how many cents? 5, right? So 25 and 5 more. 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31. Right. Nice. Look at us using quarters. Okay, let's do one more counting back and then we will be finished. Okay. Okay, so I have 1 dime and 1 nickel and 3 pennies. So first, let's figure out how many cents is a dime? Right, 10. And then how many cents is a nickel? 5. So 10 and 5 more. 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 10 and 5 more is 15. 15 and 3 more. 15, 16, 17, 18. So I have a total of 18 coins. And I am going to give you 3. So I had 18, give you 3, counting back, 18, 17, 16, 15. Let's double check. I have my dime, which is 10 cents, and my nickel, which is 5 cents. 10 and 5 more is 15. Nice work, everyone. Okay. Just because we are done with these videos does not mean that you do not have to, tongue-tied again. Just because we're finished with these videos does not mean that you don't have to keep practicing this. So feel free to think, you could have one of your family members, you could say, hey, Grandma, give me a number between 15 and 30. And then you can show that amount with your coins. And then you can say, hey, Dad, give me a number between 5 and 15. And then you could try subtracting, or you could try adding. So you can always practice, even if we don't have the videos. Just keep doing what we practiced together. Okay, everyone. I will see you in a second for some more worksheet videos. Bye!